on your phone, you gotta email it to me or something.
Okay.
Could you give me the email and send it?
Can you give me the email so I can send it to you right away?
Yes, I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Okay.
Other people doing it. You just stay where you are.
That's it right there.
Good morning. Mr. Goodman.
She's back in the chat.
Mr. Goodman.
It was just up there. It went out quick.
All right, it still should be up there. Just hit the chat button. I'll send it again. It should still be up there though.
Chat. Oh, right here. The chat. Oh, right there. Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Goodman. Mark Goodman, client.
Morning.
Yeah, you're supposed to bring me some documentation too, Mr. Goodman.
Yes, sir.
You have it?
Yes, sir. Trying to get it so you can see it.
All right, let's see here.
Can you see it?
Your camera. You're not working with an iPhone, huh? Your camera kind of
I was gonna say that. This is an Android. Sorry.
If he could just wipe it down.
I'm not trying to give iPhone no plug, but
If he could just wipe his camera lens down, that would help tremendously. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
you
okay.
said you wipe your camera lens down. All right, let's call the case. Are we ready to go? Good morning to you.
That didn't work.
I don't know if that's gonna help. Look here, I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. I'm not gonna punish you because you got an ambulance. All right, I can see it a little bit better there. Go ahead, let's see. You gotta hold it still. All right. It's no way I can see that. All right. Ready to go.
That better? No.
That's all right. We're not gonna worry about it.
That's sad.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there's no talking, eating, drinking, guns, chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please name copy address at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Let's call the case, the City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Goodman. Case number SP 125-13351. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. P28880 on behalf of Mr. Goodman, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Goodman was here yesterday, and he just had no insurance to say he provided that. I'm not gonna punish your client for having a Android phone, so I trust and believe that he's not gonna provide the court with any false documentation, and we're gonna accept that as providing valid documentation. The case is dismissed, Mr. Goodman. I told you I was gonna get you in and out first thing in the morning, didn't I?
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
I'll wait for Mr. Lark for the same thing. Get him in and out as soon as I get a confirmation.
I'm uploading now.
All right. As soon as I get it, I'll get you out of here.
Mm,
Do you have a copy you can just put up on the screen?
No, I got it on the phone.
I got it. I had it
I
on.
just sent it
I just
to him.
sent it to you.
I sent the current
Okay.
one from last year.
I sent the current one and the one from last year.
Might take a minute to come through. This is City of Detroit versus Clyde Lark, case number SP 11839-101. Terrence for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lark.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Lark.
Clyde Lark.
All right,
Clyde
I'm waiting on
Jawan Lark.
I'll wait on that document to come through.
Print it out to me.
All right, no need. Recommendation in the file is to dismiss. So the city attorney is gonna dismiss the case anyway. We're gonna dismiss the case, you provide a valid documentation. There's nothing further, you and your wife or significant other or your Mrs. Have a great day, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I ain't got it.
No, we ain't got to print it out now. Hello.
You said the court is over
But
with?
yeah, so good.
Looks like Tuesday is gonna pay us for Wednesday, Your Honor.
Yeah, don't say that.
I know.
No, I was thinking, but I didn't want to make a comment.
I heard your well, but then
Yeah, I did not want to make a comment on that.
I'm gonna say it and so it can come to fruition.
Well, it doesn't seem like we have a lot of show causes. So show causes are what's really people don't necessarily show up. So they may be right. How's it going with you, Mr. Berry?
Wonderfully, Your Honor.
Great.
You know, my car broke down on the day of your investiture.
Oh,
I was
did it?
haunted by it.
Well, you missed a good show, I think.
I've heard.
I'm going to the lady Terry Dennings out there in Macomb County tonight. Hers is at 6 o'clock.
And did you say again, what's going on at 6 o'clock?
The investiture of the lady Terry, the Judge Dennings out there in Oakland County.
Oh.
She's the first Black woman judge out there.
Not, well, in Oakland County,
No, in, Macomb, I'm sorry.
Macomb, yeah. Macomb, well, no,
Or at least appointed. Have they had a black woman, judge, in Oakland, in Macomb County before?
all I'm thinking is that I recall a brother being there, maybe 10 years
No,
ago.
woman.
A woman, first female.
Yeah,
That
she's the first female, so from what I understand, the first female ever in Oakland, black and ever in Oakland County.
Well, it's wonderful, whether I can figure it out or not. You know, it's wonderful.
So I'm trying to find,
I'm happy to have lived this long.
the information. Terry Denny. So here it is. I can forward it to you.
Oh, appreciate it.
Your email address.
Elwood.berry1@gmail.com.
Is it Elwood.Berry?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Let me step away for just 1 minute, Your Honor, if I can.
Okay. All right. It's contained within this email here that I sent you. Scroll down.
Got it.
Morning, Mr. Lewis. Lewis. Yeah, Earl Curtis Lewis.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right. I think we got a customer. He'll be back, sure.
What, I'm sorry, you said something?
I think we have a customer, he'll be back, I'm sure.
Oh,
Now, when is Mr. Goss coming back, today or tomorrow?
I believe he said he would be back Wednesday.
Hello? My name is Elwood Berry. I'd like to RSVP the
Who's over next door, is that
I think that's,
Baltimore still?
let me see, what is Baltimore? I'm alive today. You had one person and he disappeared.
Yeah, he disappeared. They never did connect this audio.
And he didn't appear until I left, so I'ma just sit right here. We don't need, we don't need that kind of.
Amen.
Got everybody's attention.
Mr. Berry, do you know what they do, with those, sovereign people? I know you say that the circuit court, do you know if they ever appeal to the circuit or the district or court of appeals or anything? Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The sovereign, you know, the people that claim the Moorish, the ones that claim they don't have to have a driver's license and stuff.
I missed my
I
bus.
don't know if Mr. Barry can hear you. Oh, you're on mute.
He's on mute. I'm sorry, I muted him because I figured he may have appreciated when he was taking his call.
Oh. No, that AO2 is connected to, there you go. You're unmuted now, Mr. Barry.
Yes, what event has brought up the Moorish people? The Moorish,
I got these, you know, these, motions on my desk.
oh,
We got
okay.
another one the other day. And, just like to know what happened, what do they end up doing? Do they appeal? I don't know if you were on the line that one week where the guy, I mean, he's having a heart attack after he got off. Was that you?
Yes, that was me. It was me. I
Yeah,
recall that. Yes.
it's like, I wanted to ask, you know, I'm gonna ask some of the circuit court judges what happens when they get those. Are they appealing our decisions? Are they trying to go forward, or do they just end up not dropping it or something like that after it leaves here?
I've seen these motions for 20 years. I have never seen
I don't know if they can see me.
a judge's opinion about them. And it's been a long time for it not to have moved forward in any way.
Right. Sir, good morning to you. Can you take your hat off, sir? Mr. Yeah. Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Earl Lewis, good morning, sir.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. I need actually need Miss Jansen back in here. This is the city of Detroit versus Earl Curtis Lewis III.
Yes, sir.
Case numbers SP 103-3753, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1184639-1. SP 1184639, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1223575, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1223612, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. 17-3059591, 19-215-937, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, sir.
Earl Curtis Lewis III.
Yeah. All right, we're going to get you an offer, sir. But I just like to ask, what brings you in here today?
I actually need my license so I can go to work because we've been sent in locations that I can't get to because I'm a roofer, so I can't get to it. So it's like I might just try to jump in the car myself, or I might try to jump in the car with someone else. And it's making it a hassle because I'm starting to grow up. So it's like, it's a hassle me trying to run around with no license. Like I might as well just face it and go ahead and get it handled.
Fair enough. Hopefully this is the turning point then. How old are you?
30.
30. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 2. I have a 2-year-old and I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old.
All right. Yeah, hopefully it's a turning point, because I'm sure they need a father that's working, I'm sure.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get an offer. We're gonna have the city attorney come back in here and get you an offer. Get you an offer. You have an absolute right to a trial. Once I present that offer to you, you got Mr. Elwood Berry there. That is a very good defense lawyer. If you don't like the offer, if you want to talk about it, then I'll put you in a breakout room and he can help you make an informed decision on how to move forward. Again, you got an absolute right to a trial, and after that, we'll see where it goes. But you got some work to do.
Yes. Fully
And I hope
understood.
you know that you have another court date, another courtroom.
Yes. Can you give me that court date and that time, please?
And you don't have it.
How can you say it?
No, I said, you don't, I can give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you, but you don't have that court date. And you left the court and didn't have it. And didn't write it down.
No, actually, I do have it. I just want to make it easier. It'd be better if it's on more pieces of paper than just one, because the paper I put it on, I know where it's, I have an idea where it's at. I want to say, I put it in the actual book bag, so I don't, with a lot of more papers. So can't pinpoint it exactly, but I know if I spend about 5 minutes in the book bag, I'll find it.
All right, you got any pens, sir?
Yes.
It's on May the 18th at 9:30.
May the 18th, 9:30.
You're not writing it down?
I have my mother actually right here with
Let me speak to your mom.
me. Oh man. Don't get me in trouble. Now, it was Mother's Day yesterday.
Get you in trouble? Get you in trouble? Good morning, Mom. What's your name? Please state your name for the record, please.
Regina Ann Dawson.
Oh man.
You heard some of the questions I'm asking your son, right?
Yes.
All right. I just, when I see cases like this, I would be remiss if I didn't ask, what's going on? When are you gonna turn the corner and start recognizing that you have to live up to your responsibility? And then,
Exactly.
when I see him asking me for a date that he doesn't remember, and at a very important issue like that, then I don't see him writing it down. The next thing I know, he's got his mom there with him. Let me thank you for being there for your son. That's very important, and the court recognizes that. But I just wanted to make sure that I'm going to read him the riot act a little bit. Hopefully that gives him some incentive, or that triggers something in him to, start growing up and, manning up,
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
good to meet you.
Good to meet you too. I'm sorry, Judge. What was that time again? I have the date. I just didn't have the time.
There it is. She's asking it for him. 9:30, ma'am.
No, that was mostly for her.
Okay, thank you.
Now, see, that's what I don't like. You talk about that's mostly for her. That is absolutely not mostly for her.
Well, mostly for
You
me.
got,
I
you
just
got
want to
the
make
cake.
sure she stay on top of it. Make sure I take it serious. Let's say that.
All right. All right. I'm done, Mom. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
I'm on there. I need it so bad.
Did you call?
Yeah, she said as soon as she leaves,
No.
she's, how she's gonna come up.
All right.
I'm probably still can go to work.
Take take care of
Somebody-
it.
Yeah, it'd be more money on my check. That's all I'm looking at. A couple more dollars make stuff go fast.
You got the Zoom ID for that, courtroom? You wanna write the Zoom ID down for him?
Is it the 360?
The 360-338-0000.
Oh, 338, okay.
I think that's on a yellow piece of paper. I wrote everything on.
I got it.
Your mama got you.
She helping me out.
Oh, he got it.
I told you I had it all. Just, if you can
I'm
give it
gonna
to me.
mute you, sorry, until we get your offer, so you and your mom can have a private conversation. So you were saying, Mr. Berry, about the, I know you've seen it for years and years and years. You know, how far have you actually seen somebody go?
That's exactly my point. They don't seem to get beyond the district court level or whatever the frontline court.
Yes, I've had a number of cases when I was practicing. They got, the ones that got the felonies, and it's what do you do? At the end of the day, is they take a lot of time, and I had one motion the other day. I'm going to read it. He cited a lot of different stuff. What I'm finding is that the most of the people you can just type in what don't have to drive without a light, don't have to get a license or something, and then these cases will pop up, and all they're doing is citing all of that stuff, but they're not reading what the cases actually say. They're pulling a line out of it, and they're saying that this is what it is, and it's actually. So the one person I had, I told him, I said, with the cases that you cite, you may have been here then. The cases that you cite are directly against your position. If you read
Yes,
them,
he was fervent,
they-
yeah.
listen. That's the guy that had that really got
Ill,
sick.
yeah. He was passionate about it. He just
He's very
had,
passionate.
he, like what, he didn't go to law school, guys, like, I mean. And it's just, well, inconceivable. It was inconceivable that he did not understand. He could read the words, he knew what the words meant, and yet you're saying he doesn't understand. This is very difficult.
Very inconceivable. Very inconceivable. I don't. else. I think we've seen Deontay Lane before.
Yeah.
I don't know what brings him here. All right, he's gone.
Okay. Okay, I will. Oh, okay, I'm pretty much caught up. Only thing is I got some questions for the judge. And I'm pretty much caught up now. Okay, all right. Bye-bye. Judge, Carmen, like my supervisor, she's gonna come and get your signatures down. So they can stamp some of the backlog. Is that okay?
Okay.
How you doing, this morning? Raise your right hand again.
Too much for my life.
Make sure you just don't let this fall in the wrong hand.
I want to.
Hello, sir. No, I don't think nobody was talking to me.
No, they're on mute having a conversation to themselves. Just wait for the judge to recall your case.
Okay.
All right,
Hold on. Let me see something.
let's go back on the record. Listen, Mr. Lewis, we can set this matter for trial and we can get these matters resolved on a trial date. That's up to you. Let me put you in a breakout room. Mr. Barry can explain. It's, or either set, well, let's get him arraigned if he's, oh, I think he's been
Hey, is
arraigned.
everything okay? You got
He's
it?
scheduled for pre-trial today, so we can set the matters for trial. Let's give him a rein on the matters that weren't on the docket. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Okay, I'll call somebody. Okay, thank you.
I'm not sure what the court is asking me to do.
Just to arraign him, he has some matters that weren't on the docket, so we'll arraign him on those matters.
Okay, Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lewis, we would stand mute. And
Hey, this is Joanna.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea on the client's behalf, give him a $0 bond on all the cases.
So we need to-
I'm waiting on the city attorney. They're pretty backed up. They need some help. So go ahead and just speak with Mr. Lewis. He can set this matter for trial and come back, and we'll give a trial date of 7/19/2022 if he chooses to. Join the room, please.
I call for somebody.
Who's our house counsel for tomorrow?
Okay.
Can you print me out the house counsel sheet for the week, please?
For the rest of the week.
Yes. One thing I do like is can separate the afternoon from the daytime doc,
Oh, I can.
morning doc. That way, I can just toss it out in the morning and then just go up and do it.
Okay.
Yes. Belvedere is after Brownfield.
Like today's not. Oh, I did.
That's wall. Tell you what, you ain't scared.
No, that is not. Can't be scared as an attorney.
Or, you know, I say that's scared.
Yeah.
Scared.
What to do with going to the school bus. It's chocolate milk in school.
We're going. As soon as I get done working, then we're going. Okay.
Go.
As soon as I get done working, I'm gonna wash you up and change your clothes. Cause you put this on yesterday, you gotta get some new clothes on. So we wash you up and put some new clothes on. And then we'll go to the school bus after I get done working, okay?
Okay.
Good job. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Let me see.
There it
That's right. Mm-hmm.
Ready as to Mr. Lewis, Your Honor.
I think I'll turn my phone sideways.
No.
Okay, we're back on the record with,
That's better.
Earl Curtis Lewis. Counselor, I've given you an
Yes, Your Honor.
opportunity. Your client in the breakout room. Did you, I know he doesn't have the benefit of an offer, but is there any way we can move forward?
It's cool.
We would have, Mr. Lewis would avail himself of the trial date. And there was no other.
I'm gonna set aside the default on SP 1223575, counts 1 and counts 2. And those are for trial as well, for formal hearing as well. So I'll give it July the 19th, 2022 trial date at 9 a.m. All right. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, all the matters are gonna be set for trial. We'll get a resolution on that date. That's July 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m. And I'd set aside the defaults on the 2 civil infractions. And you'll have an opportunity to get heard on that as well, all right?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, you and your mom have a very good day.
You
back.
too.
Yeah, July 19th, 9 a.m. Same.
I wrote it down.
He tried to
wrote
give
it
me a
down.
trouble.
I know you gotta be on top of your 30-year-old son. Have a great day.
You too.
All right.
Bye-bye. Do I just leave?
I'll put you out. All right, I guess that's gonna do it. Miss Williams Law. I was gonna say, let's wait a few more minutes until 10 o'clock at least. I don't know, is there anything set for 10? Yeah, I mean, I bet you.
No, not that I don't want people.
No, I bet you.
Excuse me, you two.
Listen, all right.